Imagine birds flying peacefully and suddenly dropping dead straight from the sky. Yes, a forest where this happens every single year. Before I tell you the shocking reason, hit like and subscribe because this one is unbelievable. This mysterious place is Jatinga, a small village in India, and every year during specific foggy nights, hundreds of birds fall from the sky as if someone switched off their life mid-flight. For decades, people thought it was supernatural, a curse, or even an invisible force in the air. But the truth is even more shocking. During heavy monsoon fog, strong winds disorient the birds. The thick mist scatters light in a strange way, and the birds lose their sense of direction completely. They panic, fly straight into trees, houses, and even the ground, and villagers find them lying still, as if they just dropped from the heavens. The creepy part, it happens only at one specific spot, and only on a few nights every year. No other forest in the world has this exact phenomenon. Scientists call it a rare mass disorientation event, but locals still believe something else is happening here. If you want more unbelievable nature stories like this, comment more below.